In a lush green forest, a little bird lived happily with her mother. The mother bird spread her wings and encouraged her little one to fly. The little bird refused and continued playing in the nest. One day, dark clouds covered the sky, and the wind grew stronger. A powerful gust of wind shook the nest, and the little bird fell. The mother bird quickly swooped down and caught her just in time. The little bird realized the importance of flying and decided to learn. After days of practice, she finally spread her wings and soared into the sky.